Yes,
150 volts, 30 microfarad, 10 microfarad, 20 microfarad, and 30 microfarad and 10 microfarad. Okay, so we have to find everything. Find C effective, find this, find that, whatever. Okay. So first, what I will do is, if I look at this figure, I don't know what he is asked in question paper. I don't know what he asked. Find this, find that. But usually I will do this: 10, 30, 40, 10, 30, 40, 40, 40, 20, right? So in series, my charge is same, Q is constant. So my potential is inversely proportional to capacitance. Literally in exam, in question paper or in wherever rough space, literally I will write it like this: 1 by 40 is to 1 by 20 is to 1 by 40. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Because I can make a mistake in the ratios when there are more than 2. I can make mistake. So I will have this as 1 is to 2 is to 1.
Yes, sir.
150, 1 is to 2 is to 1. Let's make this 160. I wanted to give it 160, I gave 150, I don't know. Now calculation is easy. 160, 1 is to 2 is to 1 means 40, 40, 80. 40 plus 80 plus 40
Yes, sir.
will give me, right? So this fellow should be 40 volts. This fellow should be 40 volts. This fellow should be 80 volts. This fellow should be 40 volts. 40 volts.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Q is equal to CV.
Yes, sir.
10 microfarad into 40. 400 microcoulomb. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Positive terminal, so positive charge plus 400 microcoulomb. Okay.
Minus 400.
I will not write the units further because it is understood. For myself
Yes,
in
sir.
exam, why will I write units? If I am habituated and all, I am sure that I am not going to do mistake. This is 40, 30, 120.
Yes, sir.
1200, sorry. 1200 microcoulomb. 40 into 30.
Yes, sir.
Now my job is done. Now no more I will do multiplication, division, all these stories. 400, 1200, total is 1600. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That means minus 1200, minus 400,
Minus 400.
plus 16,
1600.
minus 16,
Minus 1600.
plus again 1200,
Okay, yes, sir. And
plus 400, minus 400, minus 1200.
Yes, sir.
By the way, I got 1600 as the charge. Q is equal to CV, right?
Yes, sir.
1600 I got the charge. Total potential is 160 volts. What is C effective? 10 microfarad.
10, sir. Yes.
I might be wrong. I might be wrong. 40, 20, 40 in series. 40, 20, 40 in series. So I will do in exam what I will write: 1 by 40 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 40. Just for my assurance. Whenever reverse is there, it's better I write it, otherwise I'll get confused. So 1 by 40 plus 1 by 40 is 1 by 20. 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 is 1 by 10. Reverse it 10. I got the right answer. So let us have a, so this is how I will do in exam. Nobody is asking me to show me anything, right? Objective exam, competitive exam. Now let us get the data. Total C effective 10 microfarad. What is the charge on, let us write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Charge on 1 is 400 microcoulomb. Charge on 2 is 1200 microcoulomb. Charge on 3 is 1600. Charge on 4 is 1200. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Charge on 5 is
400.
400. What do you want to find now? Potential difference of 1. We already found it, 40 volts.
We have everything, sir.
We have everything literally. I mean, what do you want me to write? I can write everything. Correct? Potential of 1 is same as potential of 2 is 40 volts. Everything is there is fine, but everything I told, therefore it's not so good. Everything if you do will be awesome.
Sir, you only told you solve this.
No, I'm saying you have to reach this is what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
While I'm saying it looks very easy, while you're doing, will it be so easy is the point.
Then it will be 10.
Good.
Total current is 10.
Total charge is, total
Yes, sir.
current
Charge.
is, total capacitance is 10 microfarads.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Charge will be 1000.
Hmm.
Total charge.
Hmm. Hmm.
And there it is like 3:1.
Hmm.
There it's 750, 250.
Good. Good. Sorry, 750 to 50, right? Next.
1000. Again 3:1, 750, 250.
Hmm. Next.
Okay, potential across each. The total 20. Wait. The 1000 by 20. Therefore 500. No.
1000 by, oh, okay.
No, sir,
Like
no, sir.
1000 by 20 is 500. 1000 by 2 is 50,000. Why are you doing all those things? You have 250, you have Q is equal to CV, you can do here also, right?
Yes, sir.
Geniusness. Tell quickly.
There 500 watt. 250 into 5.
Into 5. This is
Divided by
Q
550, sir.
and this is C. 50. Next. See, this is 50, this is 50, right?
Yes, sir.
Next.
It is 1000 by 40 and 25.
Next.
There 25 down. I mean, everywhere.
100 is there, 50, 25 done,
Yes.
only 25 is remaining. So 25 volt, 25 volt. So we found out C effective, we found out charges, we found out charge distributions. Also, in the end, how you will write, I mean, I wrote it in faster version, I wrote it like this. But how will you write? You will write plus 250 because positive terminal here, negative terminal, plus 250 here, minus 250 here, correct? Plus 2,
Yes,
plus
sir.
750 here, minus 750 here, minus 750, minus 1000 here, plus 1000 here.
Yes,
Plus
sir.
1000 here, again plus 750, plus 250. so on and so forth, right?
Yes, sir.
Take that down.
It's the same thing. I mean,
If it is same or if it is not same, your wish. So this is 2 microfarad, 4 microfarad, 6 microfarad, 10 microfarad, 20 microfarad, 110 volts. Find
yes,
the charges on each capacitor, the charge sign convention of each capacitor, where positive, where negative, also the potentials on each capacitor. So I drew the thing differently, but actually it's the same. 4:2 is basically telling me that the ratio here is 2:1, and 20:10
I did it like first found all the potentials.
is 2:1. So
5:1, sir.
We can correct, yeah. So basically, this is 6, and this is 30. 1 by 6 is to 1 by 6 is to 1 by 30 is 5:5:1.
Yes,
So 5:5:1 is my voltage ratio.
yes, sir. So it will be 50-50-10.
50-50-10. That's the reason I gave 110.
Yes, sir.
Right. So 50 volts, and we will have this as 10 volts.
Now charge on each will be first one.
Q is equal to CV, so that's not an issue. 2 into 5 is 100.
Yes, sir.
100 microcoulomb. Now I'm not going to do any more. 100 implies 200. That means total is 300. That means from here minus 300 should go.
Yes, sir.
Again 2:1 ratio. So again here I should have minus 100. Here I should have plus 200 microcoulomb. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Capacitor. So obviously things should be same.
Yes, sir.
Minus 100. So this is plus 200 microcoulomb. Minus 100, minus 200, plus 2, plus 100, plus 200. Isolated conductor, center fellow should have minus 300,
Minus 303.
plus 300. Therefore, minus 200, minus 100. We got this one.
Yes, sir.
We got everything. What is C effective?
I didn't count it.
How do you do C effective? How do you do is important rather than you do it now.
There we know total charge is 300 and potential is 100. So
Capacitance effective is equal to
300 upon 110.
110. C effective is equal to 300. 300 upon 110. 30 by 11. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. If you think this video was useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section. See you in the next video.